Hello, in this discussion we'll be talking about the area of a sector of a circle. So let's begin. So the sector is kind of like the whole piece of the pie, the whole blue area in that picture. So A is the area, that sector, theta is the angle that's formed by the two radii, and R is the radius. So again, it's theta over theta 1 equals A over A1, the areas. So that gives us this formula right here basically. The area A of a sector of a circle of radius R formed by a central angle theta radians is given by 1/2 R squared times theta. Okay? And again, theta is measured in radians, just much like the other formula when we were finding the length of an arc. Okay? So the area of a sector, same thing, theta has to be measured in radians. So let's look at this example here. So find the area of a sector of a circle of radius 5 feet formed by an angle of 40 degrees. So the first thing we have to remember is area equals 1/2 R squared times theta. So these formulas that you're learning here, A equals 1/2 R squared times theta, and the other one, S equals R times theta. You need to put those on a little index card and have them memorized real quick. So when you take your proctored exams, these formulas are not provided. And since they're not provided, you need to know them. And so these problems can be really easy points for a test or very difficult, because if you don't know the formula, then you have no chance. So make sure you know the formulas. So 40 degrees is 40 times pi over 180, which is 2 pi over 9. So the reason we do that conversion is why? Yeah, the formula, area equals 1/2 R squared times theta. Theta, it has to be measured in radians. 40 degrees is not radians. 2 pi over 9 is, but not 40 degrees. So now I just get to use the formula. A equals 1/2 R squared times theta, and just drop in the numbers in the appropriate place. So it's 1/2 5 squared times 2 pi over 9. Now at this point, I usually just pull out my calculator and just do that. I would just put in 0.5 times 5 squared times 2 pi divided by 9 and let my calculator do the work for me. But the exact answer is 25 pi over 9, and then the decimal equivalent is 8.73 square feet. You're like, well, how do you know it's square feet? Because area is in square units and the units are in feet, because that's what they said the radius was, 5 feet. So this is an example of finding the area of a circle. The biggest part of this problem, though, is to make sure your theta is measured in radians. It's very important. So not degrees. Sometimes they'll give it to you in radians and sometimes they won't. There will be some situations that you're going to have that you're not actually finding the area. They give you the area and you have to find the theta. In that case, they'll give you the radius and the area. And it's just a matter of putting the numbers in the right place on the formula and solving for the unknown. So if you're looking for theta, they'll give you the A and the R, and then all you'd have to do is get rid of all that stuff on the right side and isolate the theta. So that's kind of how it works. So, all right. So that concludes this video. If you have any questions regarding this one, you let me know. You have a good day.